Mheshimiwa Rigathi umuthi ungituika niwe president wukire uguo wikore niwe president kugu kuri istiria mwange no kwira mwathani undeithie maya ngakinyaniria tondu thina uria twinaguo munene tutikarute oharo o bara tondu ngina mundu ucio urenda kweheria giti kiu ari wambe urore tumawega turia ekite urore tumauru niguo uke wongere tumawega ucoke urunge tumauru na nikio gukoragwo na order disorder order riu bururi witu thiini wa disorder tutiramenya na guturorete andu aya magika campaign matu tutigakomba ringi ni munene wa bururi enja agikomba thire ndie kana wa kureha thire kana wa gwika ati kada ari gukomba thire ari gukomba thire ndikana gukomba thire wa kureha thire na bururi uyu Kibaki ni atuonirie ati twina utonga wa kuigana tungiiganira tondu na warogota mbia icio ri oi moieku eirima Kibaki eko na ngumo njega eirima baba mutheru witu Francis uratongoragia billion eirima kiria gitigaraga ni wira uria mwega warutire ni mioyo iria wahutirie koguo ri Ngai akimurathime mugicaria utongoria ucio Ngai agikamuhe mumenyerere mutikahane ta Judas muingirwo ni ngoma mwanjie gwika o maundu maria muraugiriria muthenya wa mo na mugigakinya ho mutikanage na table manners ya gukira riria maundu manyu marathie wega no mugie na kugia na bata wa Wanjiku tondu rucio ni tugakorwo tutariho na kiria gikaririkano ni wira uria twarutire tondu wira ucio ni ugatuma thutha ko tukumuhoera Ngai tatongoria ihinda ri ni ihinda rianyu ria gutengera ta Elijah murire irima-ini muingire ngurunga tondu ngai cia mbari ni iramucaria ukirai murie na munywe tondu rugendo no ki tumukumia Yesu Kristo.
Catholic priest found murdered 2 weeks after hosting Rigathi Gachagua. A Catholic priest in Nyandarua, Reverend Father John Maina Ndegwa, has been found murdered just 2 weeks after hosting former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua during a parish event. Maina, the parish priest of Igwamete Catholic Parish, was reportedly hijacked, assaulted with a blunt object, and later found dumped by the roadside in Kikopey, Gilgil, Nakuru County, approximately 50 kilometers from his parish. His Subaru vehicle remains missing. The shocking incident has sent waves of grief through the community and the church. Nyandarua Senator John Medhu expressed his sorrow over the sudden death, recalling how Maina had warmly received Gachagua and his team during the parish Family Day celebration. Medhu said, and I quote on his Facebook page, "We are in deep shock to learn of the very sudden death of Reverend Father John Maina Ndegwa of Igwamete Parish. Father Maina hosted His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua and our team a fortnight ago for the parish Family Day. May your soul, my good friend, rest in peace." End of quote. Now, investigations into the motive and perpetrators of the brutal killing are ongoing. Authorities have yet to determine whether the incident is linked to recent political event or criminal activity. Now you're up to date. What do you think about this?